the Discovery Awards, nominees for Professional of Distinction.
Dr. Jason Clyburne is the Canada Research Chair in Environmental Science and Materials at St. Mary's University. He is internationally recognized as a leader in the study of green chemistry. His pioneering research, which involves the application of designer chemicals and materials to the removal of environmentally hazardous substances from industrial processes, is widely touted for its potential to mitigate particular environmental issues. Dr. Clyburne has built a reputation for excellence and innovation, and his colleagues repeatedly describe his work as novel, creative, and original. These accolades echo the caliber of the journals that have published his research. To date, Dr. Clyburne has received over $2 million in research funding and published 90 research articles and 2 book chapters.
I think our research is going to lead to discovering answers to how small molecules evolve from the simplest 1, 2, 3, 4 atom species or molecules to larger, more extended structures. And that's where I think this research is actually going.
Most recently, Dr. Clyburne's discovery of the elusive CO2 compound cyanoformate received significant scientific and media attention. In pursuit of carbon management solutions, Clyburne unveiled the manner in which nature handles this challenge as part of the fruit-ripening process, which caps the active cyanide within the compounds with carbon dioxide. This has promising implications for the future and direction of carbon capture technologies. Dr. Orlando Hung is a professor in the departments of anesthesia, surgery, and pharmacology at Dalhousie, and is also the medical director of research in anesthesia. In addition to providing anesthesia and acute pain services to patients, he's been passionate in conducting research focused on improving patient outcomes. His areas of research interest include airway management, clinical pharmacology, and drug delivery systems. During the last 26 years, he has received over $18 million of peer-reviewed and industry research funding, including awards from the Atlantic Innovation Fund, Eastern Technology Seed Investment Fund, and the New Generation Biotech Fund.
I think in our departments alone, there are a lot of innovators. But the most difficult part is perseverance. I've been here for quite a few years now. It took a long time, it took a lot of effort. So my encouragement is to tell the people to be persistent and keep working and don't give up.
Through collaborations with other clinicians and scientists at Dalhousie, Stanford, and the University of Toronto, he has developed and patented a number of innovative drug delivery systems and medical devices. Examples are a light-guided intubation system now routinely used in emergency situations, and a device that monitors the flow through intravenous tubes. Dr. Hung received the 2014 Research Recognition Award presented by the Canadian Anesthesiologist Society and was awarded their Anesthesia Research Award on 3 separate occasions.
I think teaching and research goes hand in hand. Sometimes through teaching, you learn more. But when someone asks you to come from a completely different angle, you say, oh, I never thought about that.
In addition, Dr. Hung is an active member of the Global Outreach Anesthesia Training Program and has traveled with them twice to Rwanda.
It was a wonderful experience because I like to stimulate their mind and I like them to stimulate my mind too.
Dr. David Pink is a senior research professor in theoretical physics at St. Francis Xavier University. His early research involved studying the magnetic properties of solids, but his focus switched to modeling biological systems. In later years, Dr. Pink applied his modeling to peptides interacting with bacterial membranes.
I thought it's time to do something different, something possibly that might even be useful to society.
Dr. Pink developed mathematical models to understand the physics of the complex fluids in food, focusing on the structures that contribute to the oil-binding capacity of edible oils such as canola, milk fat, and coconut oil.
Beth, I hope you had a nice trip.
I did, thank you.
Show me.
Okay, so what we have here.
He has been attempting to completely understand the role trans fats play in food in order to find ways of reducing use of trans fats in foods, devising models and atomic-scale computer simulations to predict some of the oil structures. To experimentally identify multi-micron scale structures in 3 dimensions, Dr. Pink and his team used special X-ray diffraction measurements to confirm experimentally all his predictions. For his work, Dr. Pink received the Outstanding Achievement Award of the EAT section of the American Oil Chemists Society in 2015. He is also an adjunct professor at the University of Guelph, where he is collaborating to establish a food modeling and computer simulation center focused on food design.
I like adventure. I like new things. All sorts of new things. That's why I've switched my fields of research over the years. But adventure, intellectual adventure, that's what it is.
He currently has grants to model dough and cheese for 2 multinational corporations. He is the author of many publications and has tirelessly served on the boards of many research councils and foundations.